Good morning, everybody. Excuse my hair. I have it pinned back like this because I'm going to do my makeup right away. But quick intro to this video. As you can tell by the title of today's video, it's going to be another vlog style video. I'm going to take you guys along with me as I do some packing and stuff and just getting ready for the days. So I'm going to start off with my makeup, and I already have my makeup in makeup bags. I already packed this up, and everything I want to use for like a natural everyday look is in these bags because I use on a daily basis. So just gonna use these today. I want to do like a natural glam look today. Some primer using my xoxo primer. And I'm gonna be out in the sun today too, so I'm just gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible. It's just really good at keeping everything matte all day. In my eyebrows real quick, but really lightly with a NYX micro brow pencil. And then for coverage today, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. What's new? Just one a little bit. Set all of that with some powder. Gonna do some quick bronzing, just basically my skin routine like always. Just to add some color back. Oh yeah, for bronzer I used Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. For blush I'm using Milani Luminoso. And then for highlight, some Anastasia Hamrizi. Boom. Really quick and easy. Gonna highlight my inner corner and brow bone with this too. For the eyes now, I'm just gonna put the bronzer color we used in my crease. Really lightly. And then top it off with some mascara, Voluminous X Fiber like usual. And apply step 1 first to my top and bottom lashes, and then step 2 just to my top. I'm actually not going to add it to my bottom lashes today because, as I said, I'm going to a pool and we don't want... I mean, this one's pretty good at staying in place, even if you don't have the waterproof. It is pretty waterproof. But I don't want to risk it, so I'm just applying a little bit to my top lashes. And then for the lips, I'm just going to go with some good old lip balm. Because my lips have been so dry lately. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this Buxom gloss over top. Just to give them a bit of shine and color. So here is the finished look, guys. Super, super quick, natural, easy. Alright guys, so now for my hair, I'm actually gonna do like really, really, really tight curls today because since I am going on a trip, like I'm leaving tomorrow, I want my hair to last a few days, and when I do it with this iron right here, I'll insert a picture of what it looks like. It gives me really tight curls that last literally the whole week. So I want to be able to do this so it's just easier for me, like when traveling. Don't really have to do my hair, like I'll put a bit of I'll brush it through a little bit at the ends, and then I don't have to do anything else. I'm just gonna turn that on. The only thing with doing it like this is the first time I do it, but when I actually curl the hair, it takes a really long time to do since the iron is so small and I have a lot of hair. But I've really been liking this look for summer lately, so I thought, why not? So I'm gonna section my hair into 2 sections. I'm really great at this, as you can see. And then basically just gonna start curling it. And once I get to the, because I have more hair like on top actually, so once I get there I start doing less sections. But basically I take like centimeter sized pieces and I just start wrapping it around the blonde. And there you go. Really, really tight curls. And this iron actually heats up the hair pretty quickly, so at least you can work a little faster in that way. Sometimes I have to kind of stop right here because my hair is too long for it. And then continue wrapping from where I left off. I also like that the one has a bit of increase. The one kind of tapers down, so it gives you a really nice look. But yeah, I'm gonna continue curling my hair with this and I'll be right back when it's all done. So my hair is all done. It's all big and curly now and I love it. It's all like ringette type curls. Alright, I'm gonna go in with some product. I'm gonna use this Dove Between Washes Invisible Dry Shampoo, and I just use this to add some volume up here at the roots, because when I do my hair like big like this, I like for there to be a lot of volume at the top. So I have really dark hair and this one doesn't even show up in my hair. So most of them that are like invisible, they still show up in my hair, but this one doesn't, so I love that about it. And then we're going to hairspray with the Schwarzkopf Osis hairspray. Because as I said, this hair took me an hour and a half. I'm not trying to make it go anywhere anytime soon, so make sure to lock it in place. It looks like super like ringlets right now, but tomorrow once I sleep on it, it starts to look a little more natural. But I love this hair for summer. I think it's so cute. It makes my hair look so voluminous, which I love. Because I have like a lot of hair, but not a lot of volume unless I add product and curl it. So love that about this hair. Alright guys, so now I actually need to get dressed and ready for my day completely. Since I'm going to the pool, I'm going to be wearing this yellow swimsuit today. And then I think I'm going to wear this black and white jumpsuit over top. Alright guys, so here is the jumpsuit. It's really cute. Excuse the mess in the background, I am packing right now. And then my hair is all curly, and then I'm wearing these little earrings here. I don't know, for hair that takes an hour and a half, I feel like it's really cute. I love this hair. I think it's like worth it since it lasts long, but it just takes a long time to do. It took me like an hour and a half to do it, but I think it's so cute. So I'm going to go and then I will be back in the evening to actually pack all of my stuff up. So I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so I am home now. I'm just gonna turn on this light. Had so much fun at the pool with my family, but now it's time to actually pack. It's actually 9 o'clock right now, so I want to get this done fast and clean my room so I'm all ready to go tomorrow morning. So I have the suitcase right here and I'm just gonna start putting stuff in it. I've got my jeans here. I'm taking a couple pairs because I mean I'm probably not even gonna wear all of these, but you know, for like the night if I go out somewhere. And then shorts as well, very important of course. And then tops too. tank tops, t-shirts, everything. Long sleeves, some dressy tops too, just in case I go out. I like, kind of hate packing, to be honest, just because, I mean, if I could, I'd honestly bring my whole entire closet, if I honestly could, just because it'd be so much easier. I mean, I'm there for a bit, but I already can feel that I'm overpacking. But I've kind of accepted it at this point, to be honest. I'm taking some dresses, like this dress right here, to have skirt, some like beachy dresses. I'm taking 2 jumpsuits, which highly doubt that I'll need them, but just in case. Okay. I'm gonna take my jean jacket, this leather one, don't know if I'll need, but take it just in case, because I'm not bringing any other leather one. I'm gonna take this bomber, and then an Adidas bomber, and this sparkly bomber as well. Okay, PJs, PJ shirts, some shorts, like athletic shorts, leggings, some tees, and some joggers. Alright, for purses, I'm going to bring this small one, a fanny pack. I know I'm going to want to wear that quite a bit. Got my curling irons, which I'll put over here on the side. I've got a couple books. I'm bringing, they're all Nicholas Sparks books because I'm kind of obsessed with his books for vacations. Swimsuits. Alright guys, and then for shoes, I'm going to bring these red sandals and these black with gold sandals. I've learned my lesson not to bring too many fancy stuff because I'll only need it a few times and there's no point bringing my whole wardrobe for a night or two, so I'm just going to put these in bags. Alright guys, so everything's in here, and then I just put my hair products, like brushes and stuff. I already put my irons and everything, but brushes, elastics, everything like that in this little baggie. So add that in here, and then I have my makeup products separately because we are driving, so I'm gonna put these like in the actual car with me so that they can stay with like the air conditioning and stuff, so nothing gets ruined, but everything in here is good to stay in the back of the car. So I think I'm just gonna close out this video right here. Hopefully it was a little bit entertaining. I know it was kind of just chill and laid back, just me getting ready and stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm honestly exhausted and I have to wake up early tomorrow, but hopefully I can film some videos while I'm even there. I think that would be fun to you guys along, maybe like makeup shopping and stuff. I think that'd be kind of interesting. But yeah, guys, I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.